Hi, I'm Shawn Wilson, Secretary for the Department of Transportation, and coming to talk to you today a little bit about United for Infrastructure Week. That is the week of September 14th through the 21st. This year's theme is Rebuilding Better, and it could not come at a more appropriate time given the aftermath of Hurricane Laura and the devastation that we've seen in southwest Louisiana and all across the western portion of the state to the northern border. Rebuilding Better is exactly what we're going to do. In the aftermath of Hurricane Laura, I'm proud to tell you that this department is working feverishly to make a difference in South Louisiana and across the entire western portion to the northern border and across northeast and central Louisiana. We are working very hard to clear our roads, remove debris, and ensure that our infrastructure is safe and efficient and can continue to work for you. United for Infrastructure Week is an opportunity for our industry, our department, and of course our citizens to value and appreciate the utility of infrastructure. There's so many construction zones across the state that's making progress, that's going to build an economy and be sustainable. Whether they're interstates or rural roads, I'm happy to tell you your Department of Transportation is working to rebuild Louisiana much, much better. So as a part of this week, our key partners really are our contractors and our engineers, and they're the ones who are actually out delivering work that we have funded, designed, and planned. You're about to hear from Ken Naquin, who is the president of the Louisiana AGC. He has been a partner for this department for a number of years in a number of different capacities. He represents all of the hardworking people in our construction industry, thousands of men and women across the state of Louisiana that sacrifice and put their lives in harm's way, along with our Department of Transportation employees. So thank you, Ken, for sharing a little bit about the importance of United for Infrastructure and your role in rebuilding better.
Infrastructure is the backbone of any country's economy. If you can move goods and services, whether it's across highways, whether it's across rail, whether it's across waterways, you got a thriving economy. It's a grid, and if you look at it, all the grid is interlocking. Ports have to, you bring in stuff to ports, it has to go onto trucks or it has to go onto rail. The electric infrastructure is in the DOTD's right of way. I mean, the whole infrastructure grid is interlocking. The department and the governor's administration has been very good for the last 4 to 5 years on trying to find any funding that they can get from Washington and any kind of innovative financing that they can come forward with. AGC and the department worked years ago to pass the Garvey bond legislation that allowed us to recently get almost $500 million in Garvey bonds. And it sounds great, but at some point in time we do have to pay those back, and we pay those back with future federal funds. We've also been innovative with the department on public-private partnerships. We've been innovative with the department on delivery methods, design-build contracts, construction management at-risk contracts. So anything that we've done innovatively in Louisiana, it's been with a collaboration of AGC and DOTD. One of the things that we were fortunate in Laura is that we didn't get the tidal surge. We didn't have the flooding that we had, say, post-Katrina, that didn't allow us to go in. I was very proud that our contractors, our highway contractors in Southwest Louisiana, the first day they could get in there, they started clearing roads and they started clearing infrastructure, the airport and the ports, to try to get commerce back going on. One of the most important things they were doing was clearing the roadways so that the power companies can go in and reestablish the grid on power. Our contractors from day one have been working in the water plant and the sewer treatment plant in Calcasieu Parish to try to bring the people in that area water and to be able to get rid of their waste and sewage.